everybody, Jamie at shopmasque.com. Welcome to another Masque Minute. So it's Friday night, wild and crazy night. Just got home from work. I've been at the shop all day. Had a late night last night too, so skin is feeling like it needs a bit of rejuvenation. So I'm going to use a mask tonight. It's the Alchemist Age Repair Gel Mask. Sorry, wrong way around. Yep, that's the tube there. So it is a gel. I'll quickly show you what it looks like. So just like a white gel like that. So you just apply it to the face. I just washed my face, so it should be applied to clean skin. As the name implies, it is an anti-aging mask, so it's rich in peptides, which are going to help with anti-aging, so keeping the skin nice and firm, reducing the signs of aging. It has some peppermint oil in it too, so it has a really nice instant cooling effect. So when you put it on and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, your skin is going to feel sort of instantly nourished and hydrated and a little bit firmer. So yeah, that's it, just 10 to 15 minutes, and then you can rinse it over the washcloth, and hopefully I'm going to be feeling a little bit better after that. So check it out, shopmasque.com, the Alchemist Age Repair Gel Mask, and of course it's in the store in Vancouver too. Thanks for listening.